Hello ladies and gents, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to check out Toncoin, a new coin. We've never looked at this one on this channel and it's been doing some crazy things over the last few weeks, but nobody's been talking about it. So unfortunately, we couldn't get involved with that one. If you're new to the channel, by the way guys, hop into the Discord down below. Over 400 people in here at the moment. We're all talking about crypto, DeFi, staking, news, Lunar Classic, just absolutely everything. So make sure you head down to the Discord and subscribe to the channel whilst you're at it, because that subscribe really helps. So Toncoin, let's have a look. Rank 205, $2.2 billion market cap. We can see over the last 7 days Ton has really performed quite exceptionally, right? So Ton is the native token, and we can see we came up from $1.46 all the way up to $1.85. Now what's even more impressive is you look at the year, you can see we bottomed out around 81 cents as well as 86 cents, and now we've rallied up way higher, right? So we've added $1 onto the value, and this is crazy because you look at 2021 and we're back to the similar price levels, and that's why we've gotten the pump, because we're in this key accumulation range. It's always good to zoom out and kind of identify what the accumulation ranges are, and that's why we're starting to get back into a small uptrend here for Ton. So Ton inherited from Telegram. The Ton blockchain was designed to onboard millions of users. It boasts ultra-fast transactions, low fees, and easy-to-use native apps. We can see that they are also really persistent with their communication to their community, and that's really important. Like, it gives confidence, it gives belief, trust, transparency, all of these kind of things as well. So you can also see that you can stake Ton on Huobi, 300% APY. That is absolutely massive. So massive staking opportunity here as well. I'm going to have a little look at this one, see if it says anything about it. Huobi Global joins hands with Ton to launch 1.5 million prize pool purchase and stake to earn up to 300%. Launch time is September 7, end time is September 17. So this might actually have something to do with it. It's the 300 stake and the prize pool that is associated with Ton right now. So I believe this could be a big catalyst to the price pump at the moment. Good job we looked at Twitter, because now we've kind of found out maybe a potential reason why, as to the transactional volume that we're seeing and all the euphoria surrounding it. So this is why Ton is pumping. Really worth looking at, especially because this is just crazy, right? Who doesn't like free crypto? So here is Ton on the price charts, and it does look exceptionally bullish. We don't have a lot of historical price data to go on, unfortunately, on this Tether, CoinEx exchange, but we can clearly see that bottom that we put through over here on the 18th of June. So if you did invest in this project on the 18th of June, you'd be up a whopping 146%. Oh yes, that looks really good. And you can see it has been just a constant kind of uptrend over here. We've got a nice healthy uptrend by the looks of things, but there's still the possibility, of course, that we can revisit these support levels along this support trend line. So overbought on the RSI, we can see 20-day moving average, we are overextended. Kind of a bearish thing, really. It does mean we could be due a bit of a pullback in the short term. Moving over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see sometimes when the Bollinger Bands they squeeze together. I'm going to show you right now. When you get the kind of squeeze here, like on the Bollinger Band, by squeeze I mean like where the top and the bottom trend line are narrow. That's usually where you're waiting for that like decisive move to the up or down side. We've had it a few times looking at Tron. We had it there, we had it over here, then decisive move as well. So we need to really see a bit of a cool down here for our friend Toncoin, shall we say. But yeah, it does look pretty parabolic. So massive buying pressure at the $1.19. Clearly we got a lot of support as well over here around the $1.44 level, and we even dropped down to $1.45 before taking another pump to the upside. So massive volatility. This move here resulted in a 36% pump. This one here resulted in a 48% pump. So the opportunity to make some big money here is obviously quite real, but the volatility at the same time is just, it's really crazy. So at the moment we are kind of forming a bit of a maybe a descending channel over here, or a falling wedge. So we are sitting in that channel, as we can see. Typically it's bearish, But there is a possibility that we do get a breakout here and a retest. I'm trying to retest this $1.87 resistance level where we could see continuation to the previous swing high, which would be the technical price target here upon a breakout, bringing us up to that $2 price level. If we do see negative continuation here and we lose support, we might retest the support trend line of $1.70 here for a ton. Not too sure what could effectively happen. Smaller time frames again. We came down to the oversold position on the 28, but it does look like we are trying to at least consolidate here and maybe even retest this resistance trend line on the descending channel. So that's what we're looking out for. If it does happen, we can anticipate or speculate that we might get a pump around $2 price level. So this is really crazy stuff, and I think the staking opportunity here on Huobi looks really interesting. So I might have a little look at that. I don't actually have a Huobi exchange or account, shall I say, but this is definitely a huge part or reason as to why we are seeing ton pump. So big partnerships, big things are happening with centralized exchanges. It's all very important stuff, and it's healthy to see this. So we might even see this coin do some crazy stuff in the next few weeks, to be honest. Sorry, this $2 level is resistance, not support, but we could easily just chop between this $1.44 and $2 level for a while. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get an all-time high at this rate. I mean, what is the previous all-time high? It's a new coin, or am I confused? Oh no, 2021. It's not a new coin, it launched in 2021, so pardon me, I got that a bit wrong there. But we can see 5.41 billion was where we traded up before in market cap. And looking at year to date, the all-time high was $4.44. So there is potentially a good chance we could, at least for 2023, maybe try and retest that all-time high, depending on what sort of protocol upgrades we see and other things we can also see here. Next month is Trust Wallet and then Binance. Looking at the markets, it's not on Binance yet, so when it does launch on Binance, you're probably going to see some absolutely crazy things. Keep your eyes peeled on Toncoin, because there's a good chance we might actually see it pump. Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. You lovely people, you. Thanks so much for watching. Like and comment on this video. See you soon.